Tired of distracting grid lines obscuring your most important Excel data? Let's transform your spreadsheets from cluttered to clear. First, open your Excel workbook. You'll notice the standard grid lines that define each cell. While helpful, sometimes we need to make specific areas stand out by removing these lines. The key to selectively removing grid lines is to first select only the cells you want to modify. You can do this by clicking and dragging to select a range, then holding down the Control key or Command on a Mac and clicking on additional individual cells or ranges you want to include in your selection. See how they all have a light gray border around them now. With your desired cells selected, navigate to the Home tab on the Excel ribbon. Look for the Font group, which contains options for text formatting. Within the Font group, you'll find a button with a small down arrow, usually next to a square icon. This is the Borders option. Click this down arrow to reveal a gallery of border styles. From the drop-down menu that appears, simply select No Border. This action will instantly remove all existing borders, including the default grid lines, from the cells you have currently selected. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the grid lines from those specific cells. Notice how your chosen data now stands out, making your spreadsheet look cleaner, more professional, and easier to interpret for reports or presentations. This simple trick can significantly improve the readability and impact of your work.